Well, Rohit, there's going to be inflation, then it should result in rising gold prices. But gold prices are going down.
So it's become the general perception that if governments are spending money, and especially the Fed is printing, that you should get rising gold prices because of the resulting inflation. And the reason people are not seeing that now is that they've only come to understand this entire narrative which I've just spoken, which is the basis of your question, in 2021. But people who've really been ahead of looking at what's been going on in the dollar market would have front run this probably 4 to 5 years ago. So what you're looking at right now is the short term lack of performance of gold over a 3 month or a 6 month time horizon, say from August of 2021. And then you're comparing it to other commodity prices. And when we say inflation, it means every prices of everything going up. So let's take commodity prices, that is copper, silver, aluminium, zinc, or even agro commodity prices. How many of them have really doubled over the last year or two? Probably very few. Even copper would not have, barely just come close to doubling. But if you actually think about gold, now you go all the way back to 2015, it had gone to as low as $1050. That's where it actually bottomed. And today the price is over $2,000 at the high. So it actually was ahead of the market in terms of anticipating that this inflationary trend was coming, when many of the other commodities were actually still falling. They had not yet made their bottoms from where they've actually gone up. So copper had gone back to below $2 even when gold was holding higher. So that's where it is. People are only reading into this now. But when you look at it from a historical perspective, gold was ahead. It moved up much ahead of the others. And the others are catching up now with gold while gold is doing nothing. So that's where the whole narrative gets lost. And so maybe one of the ways to participate in the near term while, gold is still consolidating is also keep, other commodities in your basket. Look at them from an inflation perspective, or try to play stocks that are exposed to these commodities as an inflation hedge, and that would then give you a better exposure to inflation rather than only having gold. But that doesn't mean you look away from gold, because eventually as the inflationary trend continues to pick up, there'll be another wave on the upside for gold as well. It's just that it moved ahead and now others are catching up, it's consolidating, and then it will move again, leading the way for the rest of the pack.